Me, Capt Dee, and Tucker Dog, we come make us a little afternoon trip out here. We got that blizzard, that Cajun blizzard coming there in a couple of days, so we gotta get this thing all winterized. And, I kind of want to come out here and ride it out, but he said, nah, we're gonna stay home. So we're gonna get this thing all ready to freeze and everything.
Yeah, I gotta watch the snow on the ground.
Gotta watch the snow on the ground. I want to watch the snow on the boat, me.
I don't want to be slipping and sliding out here on the boat either. With that ice.
We can build a snowman out here just as easy as we put it on. Let me getting work on this thing. Get it all ready. Beautiful out here right now, though.
Yeah.
I think before before I get to doing all that, I think we're gonna cook us a couple of hamburgers, boil us a couple of hooks, and enjoy pretty weather while we can.
For sure.
Yeah. Well, got everything drained out and ready to go. Hopefully, I got it all drained out anyhow. I got a little pump down there underneath that piece of plate for the toilet that was drained out. And I got all these pipes drained out. Got the Capt Dee out there trying to catch a fish. Me and Capt Dee, we done tried fishing for a couple, 2 or 3 hours. Nothing. We did get a couple of barbecued hamburgers we had for lunch, you know. And I got everything all drained out, ready to go, ready for that Cajun blizzard we got coming on. I got a mess when we get back. I put all this stuff back together. Look like a hurricane hit up in here. A big old hurricane.
Wait, I felt like I'm forgetting.
That's about all we're gonna do right now. We'll take us a boat ride, going home, and wait for that blizzard to come.
Let me get my stuff.
Since I can't talk Capt Dee and staying out here for a blizzard.
No, don't want to get stuck out here like that. That wouldn't be good. Look at the trees. This is crazy. This is the beach, by the way. Going to the woods.
Alright guys, well we left this place thinking we're gonna get down to mid-20s, but it got down to like 4 degrees. But we're hoping that I ain't got a bunch of busted canned goods and stuff in there. And hopefully I got that water drained out enough. But the issue I'm having right now is I ain't got no water to get back there. Kicking up mud. Hopefully I might get my little ditch up here somewhere. We're gonna see, but there ain't no water right now. I ain't never seen this Lake Diddalo. We're gonna see if we can make it over there. We're kicking the mud right now. We in about 8 inches of water. Let's see what happens. Let me see if I can get this thing over there. Put this camera down. We're gonna get back. Alright guys, we made it to the houseboat, but it wasn't easy. We got no water back here like I said earlier, but now I'll get to put all this mess back together. And check and make sure that we don't have any busted water line hide anywhere on us. So look like we got like the lost power for a little while.
Yeah.
Look like some stuff had defrosted in the freezer. I guess we're gonna be throwing a bunch of stuff out of there. Defrosted.
You can tell. Look, the shrimp.
Yeah.
It's frozen now.
So, okay, we got a little bit of work ahead of us before we can play. We're going. I think Dee's going to take care of the refrigerator, and I'm going to take care of putting all this stuff back together. And we'll see what happens. But before I start, I'm going to go check my bait trap before we start all that. See if we got any bait.
I'm going to do this so I can get the food in the fridge.
Boy, look like I got a mess on top of there. Alright. Let's see what we got. Stuck in the mud, that's what we got. We got, look like a little baby catfish, and maybe a dozen shrimp. Well, we done got everything taken care of out here. Got lucky, no water leaks, that's all good. Everything working like it's supposed to. No problem we had, like I said, I think I got one of my batteries not turning on like it's supposed to. I have to get back in there again one more time and find out. But beautiful day today, so we're gonna finish the day off with a little bit of barbecue chicken and some potato salad and probably some pork and beans. And Dee got a fishing pole out, but the water's so shallow right now. I doubt she'll catch anything. And it's a good thing I got that boat that I can jack that engine way up on. Cause wouldn't have been for that, we'd have never made it back up in here. Gorgeous day though. Kind of hard to believe it was 4 degrees the other day though. Was it 3 days ago? It was 4 degrees.
That was Tuesday it snowed, right?
Oh, I don't know. It wasn't but a few days now. I'm about to put some short sleeve on. I've been running around with a long sleeve, but I'm about to.
Yeah. Where the wind's cool.
Yeah, well, the wind's cool in the shade, but in the sun it ain't too cool. So we're gonna relax and see what happens. And maybe some squirrels or some coons might come around when they start smelling us cooking and stuff. You never know. There we go, guys. Some barbecue chicken leg, some pork and beans, and when Capt Dee done made her famous potato salad.
It's good too.
It's good, look. It's good.
Mm-hmm.
And let me see, well, I'll tell you what. We are eating like kings tonight though.
Yeah, it's really good.
Check them out. Yeah. And got the fan going on too. How's that chicken?
It's good. You did a
Chicken
good
good?
job. Mm-hmm.
There we go. Well, we're going. That was our dinner. I guess before long, Tucker taking him a nap. You're gonna be smelling that chicken. You're gonna be wanting him a piece. So we're gonna eat while we can. And so far, no fish. Nothing.
Not a thing. Not even a nibble.
Nothing. Maybe tomorrow, maybe later. We'll find out.
Only got like a little bit into water though.
Yeah, we ain't got no water. No water at all right now. But it might come back up. Winter time. That's what you got.
Looks like we're about 28 minutes ahead of schedule. Come back. I hate to say I told you so. Well, now don't lose your head, son. We still got a lot of boogieing to do.
Well, guys, guess what we do?
Oh, yeah.
Any of y'all know what that movie is? Y'all just as old as me. Let you look at it one more time. Well, that's what we do tonight. Sitting back and watching an old movie. And going to relax. Wasn't no fish tonight. But dinner was good. So barbecue chicken and pork and beans and potato salad. That was some good eating there, guys.
No, don't tell me. Let me guess.
Yeah, so
We
we're
are
going.
in search of a wedding.
Yeah. So we're gonna see y'all in the morning, I guess, when we're having our coffee.
Think of it as a wedding posse in search of a
Look at old Capt Dee this morning, y'all.
Good morning.
She all bundled up like that polar bear again this morning.
That wind's cold.
Yeah. No breeze this morning. It ain't cold like it's been, but I imagine it's gonna warm up. Yeah. Looks like water coming back up. Maybe a fish might come in with it. Hopefully. Dee going through withdrawal. She ain't caught a fish in a while.
Yeah, it's been a while.
But it's
Maybe
supposed,
today it's gonna rain.
yeah, she said got 70% chance of rain today. She said the fish like to bite in the rain.
Yeah.
I say the fish don't like getting wet myself. They gonna stay out the rain.
They go bite.
Yeah. Fish don't like the rain. They don't want to get wet.
I was
She,
dreaming about fish last night, catching them.
you know it's bad when you got to dream about fish. Yeah. So, I'm gonna have my cup of coffee, and looks like Dee got a lily wrapped around her pole.
Yeah.
So I guess I'm gonna sip on my coffee and watch her get that in. I'm probably gonna have to go take it off for her. Oh, she got it. Well, weather done went down. Looks like Dee getting her rain. Oh Lord, they done pick a wrong time to try to get back to the dock. They gonna get wet. They got about 5-6 miles of riding and stuff. Hopefully got some warm clothes on, all I can see. We'll see.
Or either a crab or a damn fish got me hung up in something in that I was trying to reel it in to check my bait.
Mm-hmm.
And it's hung up in what?
Yeah.
Oh.
Capt Dee, she not happy with a pole. She been in here trying to stay out there rain and something got on a pole and got it all wrapped up somewhere. Lord. Meanwhile, check them out. Some homemade leftover vegetable soup. Perfect thing for a cold, rainy day. So, we're gonna enjoy our vegetable soup. And we're gonna see about getting old Capt Dee's pole undone for her. I got mine out there too. But I'm fishing a piece of candy on mine. If I catch a fish, I'll tell you what kind of candy I'm using. But gotta have a fish to catch a fish too.
You right.
Yeah. We're gonna do our dinner, lunch. And probably gonna be laying around again today.
Yeah.
I might better get a deck of cards and play some Boo-Ray or something with her. I'll beat a button some Boo-Ray. So we're gonna get back with y'all later on. So fish ain't bit all day long. And weather ain't all that great. Ain't all that terrible neither, but it ain't all that great. That's why dinner tonight we're gonna have us some Dee's gonna have her a cheeseburger. And I'll have me some hamburger patties with some Baby Ray's barbecue sauce on it. Potato salad and pork and bean. And that's leftover potato salad from last night, and that's what I'm gonna have. I'm gonna get this off that pit and get our dinner together and figure out what we're gonna do from there. Ain't much different than last night, except we got hamburger patties instead of chicken.
And I got a hamburger.
And Dee got a hamburger. And She said her hamburger good.
Mm-hmm.
I had my hamburger. Tucker got my hamburger patty on that too. So we'll have a hamburger patty and some potato salad and pork and bean. And we gotta find some fish some kind of way. Got to get out there and call them to eat fishy, 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 fishy.
That ain't working.
Anyway, we got to see. Come on, everybody. Me and Capt Dee, we get to wake up to a beautiful rainy day. Yeah, it's a rainy day in the neighborhood.
Crazy.
Yeah, and got her taking the garbage out. And
You want me to put it right here?
yeah, that's fine. You can put it right there. I'm cooking us some scrambled eggs with some sausage in it. That's gonna be our breakfast. Yeah, that's what we're doing this morning. So it looks like we're gonna have us some breakfast. Watch the rain. So for the battery with Dee, Dee was saying she gonna fish in the rain.
Mm-hmm.
And, my candy didn't work yet, so I caught my really then I ain't had nothing on my hook. So I don't know if something took it or what. But we're gonna try it again today, then I'm gonna tell you what it is, maybe. Maybe. Meanwhile, cook the eggs. Have some breakfast.
You putting cheese in it?
I don't know if I'm gonna put cheese in it. What cheese? Oh, we got that cheddar cheese. So we're gonna see. Let me figure that out. And we'll be back. How's it, Dee? Good? Mm-hmm. There we go. Some scrambled egg with some taco sauce and a pan of drink. Watch the rain fall. Boy, we got pretty good rain coming down now, huh?
Yeah, it's pouring down.
Yeah. We're gonna see. Well, we're gonna eat our scrambled eggs and sausage, watch the rain fall. And I don't know what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna do something though.
Mm-hmm. It's a little bit chilly with that door open.
Sound good with that door open though. Can hear the rain falling real good. Well, Dee tried all day long, ain't caught a fish one. But once the rain stopped, it turned out to be a gorgeous day though. Sunshine most of the afternoon. We even went tried different spots to look for some fish. Wasn't no fish over there neither.
No.
So we got another day without no fish. It's a good thing we're not surviving off of that, because we're going to be going hungry again.
Yeah.
At least tonight we had some more of that, one more round of that leftover vegetable soup. So we're done with that for a little while. Still good.
Or maybe a week.
Yeah, eat on that stuff 3 or 4 times. Yeah, and so we're just going to relax for the night. And I don't know what we're going to do with you. We still ain't never played our Blu-ray last night neither.
No.
She's scared to play Blu-ray with me.
Or no.
Yeah. All right. Well, Dee tired, y'all. she not happy. Ain't caught no fish. Yeah.
All we saw was the dead fish.
Yeah, we seen a deer when that was it. We're gonna see what happens tomorrow. Might end up going in tomorrow because the project at home I'm still working on, so we'll figure it out. We might try fish. If the fish ain't biting in the morning, then we'll probably go tomorrow afternoon.
Yeah.
We'll see if I can get Dee to cook me some steak and eggs and hash browns and well, we ain't got none of that. Oh my, she can't cook
dreaming.
I guess we're gonna get cleaned up and watch a little television, and we're gonna turn in for the night.
Yep. 6:30.
6:30, dog.
Mm-hmm.
All right, well, I guess we'll see y'all when we're having our coffee.
Good night.
Bye bye. Ain't looking too good out here this morning. A little foggy. Maybe it might burn up and do something, but so right now we just gonna scrambling up some eggs with some sausage again. Keep it simple again still this morning. Have us some coffee. And we're gonna wet a hook, but that water ain't looking no better again this morning. And see what happens. But I got a feeling that we're gonna head on in. We're gonna do some projects around the house. I got that other little boat that I'm working on that I wanna get together so we can come out here and go look for some succory and some bass with that little small boat. Easy to maneuver around. So we're gonna cook our scrambled eggs, have our coffee, get old Dee going with a hook there before too long. Well, hopefully she might catch one fish before we go in. I hope she catch one. But we go in without her catching a fish. Oh, Lord. She's gonna be grumpy till we come back out.
That's how it goes.
Alright, let me get to cooking my breakfast. At least I can get on a good side with that. Can't catch no fish. Last night, y'all, Dee out here on the boat trying to fish, and something come up between the boat and a houseboat and surprised her really well.
Oh yeah, whatever it was big.
She was stuck on the boat. She was too scared to come across to the houseboat. It's a big alligator. I think I probably got a neutral rat or some kind of got
it
something
sounded
to it.
hard like a carp, but it like had to jump up to come up for air. So I don't know.
Okay. So I guess it's one of the mysteries we'll never know. This year a couple of nutria started coming around though.
Yeah, they had 3 of them over there.
And so we might get to have us some nutria before too long. With some rice and gravy. Yeah. We shall see. Too quiet out here though. What you doing, Dee?
I'm trying to fish.
Trying to fish? You had that thing out all night long. You didn't catch nothing last week? Nothing? Still had bait on? Well, looks like your fog trying to burn off at least.
Yes,
and with the smoke over there, like you see, it might be cane.
yes, came.
Might have a forest fire going, trying to copy off California or something. Come on, fishy. Yeah, the birds singing. What about the squirrels? The squirrels come around?
I saw a cardinal over there.
No squirrel?
No, not yet.
Nothing happened out here this morning.
I think something just bumped it.
That might have been me coming close to it. Stepping on the wood. She wanted the fish to bite so bad, I come close to her, Paul made a move. She said, I think something might have bumped it. They need to fix that tip on that thing. It's like it's all twisted up. Need to put the right size on there and glue it back or something. Even Tucker fussing. What you fussing for, Tucker? You ready to go?
He wants to go. That's his problem.
You ready to go? You had enough of this, Tucker? Time to go? Yeah. Tucker say, ain't no fish, time to go. You got nothing to bark at. What? You want to bark at a fish? Tell him what you think. And what else? Yeah, we're going in a little while. Okay, okay. Even Tucker about to lose his mind this morning. You ready to go? Where we going? All All right. Okay. Well, I guess we better start getting things packed up and head on in. Even fish ain't biting. Tucker getting mad.
Tucker's gonna be okay.
Capt Dee said, Tucker gonna be okay.
Boy, hush.
Well, I tried to tell Tucker.
Hush.
Boy, I tell you. He's spoiled, y'all. He's very spoiled.
Oh, rotten.
Hi, buddy. Capt Dee and Tucker and I. It was a pretty day today, but we go. Fish ain't biting still, so we going home and do some projects and go Tucker steadily pussy. Ready to go. We appreciate y'all coming this week. Hopefully next week we'll have something going on. Hopefully so. Alright, we'll see y'all later, guys. Tell them, Tucker. Tell them bye. There you have it, guys. See y'all later.
See y'all later.